Why is the Election Commission afraid of Joy Bangla? Why is BJP scared stiff of this innocent slogan? For BJP, which is synonymous with Election Commission, for BJP which wants to form a government in Bengal, which promises to develop Bengal to greater heights of glory, Joy Bangla appears to send shock waves. What would you say if someone was against Bharat Mata Ki Jai? You would call him anti-India. Likewise, if BJP, also known as Election Commission, is against Joy Bangla, it means they are anti-Bengal. If someone is against Bharat Mata Ki Jai, you are calling him anti-India. So if you are against Joy Bangla, it means you are anti-Bengal. Jhalmuri does not make you pro-Bengal. If you hate Joy Bengal slogan, you are anti-Bengal. The slogan was being given out at a bike rally in Diamond Harbour at 9:50 p.m., 10 minutes before 10 p.m. at night. That is 10 minutes before the stipulated 10 p.m. deadline. And EC, synonym BJP. Election Commission, synonym BJP, was scared and termed it illegal. Joy Bangla slogan illegal. Joy Bangla slogan provocative. Joy Bangla slogan peace disturbing. That means the rise of Bengal is disturbing for some people. When illegal cash distribution incidents do not disturb the Election Commission, when hate speeches do not disturb the Election Commission, why is the innocent patriotic slogan making the EC and BJP shiver in this hot weather? Weather is so hot, temperature touching 40, and Election Commission and BJP are shivering when they hear Joy Bangla. And if Joy Bangla is regarded as a patented cry of Trinamool, then Gyanesh Kumar has tacitly admitted that only TMC is pro-Bengal. Because Joy Bangla is only for TMC, that means only TMC is pro-Bengal. That you are admitting. Tacitly, Gyanesh Kumar is admitting that anything connected with the good of Bengal belongs to TMC. Amit Shah and Gyanesh Kumar, two bodies, one soul. BJP and Election Commission, one job, two offices. In fact, Election Commission is more BJP than Amit Shah. Election Commission is more committed to BJP than Amit Shah. BJP loss would pain Gyanesh Kumar more than it would pain Amit Shah. Amit Shah may manage the shock. But if Gyanesh Kumar gets a heart attack on 4th May, Mamata Banerjee will arrange for his free treatment because our Swasthya Sathi card is working, effective, unlike your worthless Ayushman card. So Mr. Gyanesh Kumar, who has already joined BJP, I think you have already joined BJP. Now you are also engaged in campaign for BJP, but on the 4th of May, if you have a heart attack, remember, Amit Shah is not going to make free treatment facilities available for you. But in West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee will arrange free treatment for you. Our Swasthya Sathi card works. The worthless Ayushman card does not work.